In the past, the world was divided by class, then by access, then by education. Today, the divide is mindset, especially in a world driven by artificial intelligence. We're not in the information age anymore. We've entered the intelligence economy, where the way you think about time, money, and opportunity defines your future. And here's the uncomfortable truth. AI isn't creating inequality, it's exposing it. Not through algorithms, but through mindsets. So let's talk about how the rich versus poor mindset has evolved in the age of AI and what's actually changed. AI offers unprecedented opportunities across industries such as finance, e-commerce, and digital marketing by enabling smarter investment decisions, automating portfolio management, and optimizing business operations. This technological revolution lowers barriers for entrepreneurs and individuals, making it easier to start ventures and generate passive income streams. However, the video also critically examines the risks of income inequality, as AI-driven wealth may become concentrated, and job displacement may leave some behind without proper support for research. It emphasizes the importance of continuous upskilling and adaptability to thrive in an AI-driven job market that increasingly values AI-related and uniquely human skills like creativity and critical thinking. Furthermore, the video highlights the necessity of ethical AI practices, advocating for transparency, fairness, inclusivity, and accountability to ensure AI benefits society as a whole. Ultimately, the video encourages embracing AI's opportunities responsibly, fostering inclusivity, and positioning oneself for success while contributing to a more equitable future. AI's ability to analyze vast datasets and automate complex financial and business processes is transforming traditional wealth-building methods. With AI-powered tools like robo-advisors and smart platforms, individuals can now optimize their investments and generate passive income more efficiently than ever before. This democratization of financial technology opens doors for many to pursue financial freedom without needing extensive expertise or capital, risks of income, inequality, and job displacement, while AI creates new economic opportunities. It also threatens to widen the gap between the wealthy and the economically vulnerable. Automation can displace workers in various sectors, potentially leading to unemployment for those lacking the skills to transition. Without robust support systems for retraining and inclusive policies, AI could exacerbate existing social divides, leaving many behind in the AI economy. Entrepreneur ship in the AI era. AI lowers traditional barriers to entry for entrepreneurs by providing accessible tools and resources. Individuals can develop AI-driven products and services targeted at emerging market needs, without requiring massive upfront investments. This shift empowers innovation, allowing creative thinkers to solve real-world problems and build sustainable businesses, thereby opening new pathways to financial independence. Lifelong learning as a necessity. The rapid pace of AI development means that yesterday's skills may quickly become obsolete. To remain competitive, workers must embrace lifelong learning, acquiring both technical AI competencies such as programming and data analysis and essential soft skills like critical thinking and creativity. Balancing human intuition with AI capabilities will be key to carving out rewarding careers in the evolving job landscape. The rise of freelancing and flexible work. AI drives demand for freelance and consulting roles, offering professionals the freedom to work on diverse projects and manage their careers on their own terms. This gig economy growth, fueled by AI expertise, allows individuals to diversify income sources, gain experience across sectors, and maintain control over their financial futures in a dynamic market. Ethical AI and responsible use. The power of AI brings ethical responsibilities. Issues such as algorithmic bias, privacy concerns, and lack of transparency risk undermining trust in AI systems. Developing fair, explainable, and inclusive AI solutions is critical to ensure that technology benefits all parts of society. Ethical frameworks and regulatory accountability must guide AI development to prevent marginalization and promote social good. AI as a tool for inclusive growth. The video stresses the importance of designing AI systems and policies that foster inclusivity and equitable wealth distribution. AI should be leveraged not to deepen inequalities, but to promote upward mobility and shared prosperity. Achieving this requires collective efforts. Individuals, businesses, and governments must collaborate to ensure AI-driven progress uplifts all communities and contributes to a fairer society. In conclusion, the AI revolution holds immense promise for transforming financial freedom, entrepreneurship, and employment landscapes. However, unlocking this potential demands intentional strategies to upskill the workforce, support displaced workers, champion ethical AI, and implement inclusive policies. By balancing innovation with responsibility, society can harness AI power for widespread benefits, ensuring no one is left behind in the march toward a prosperous, AI-enabled future. It emphasizes that we are in the midst of the largest wealth transfer in history, driven by AI's revolutionary changes to how value is created, delivered, and captured. The traditional economic structures and career paths are rapidly becoming obsolete as AI rewards new modes of thinking, strategic leverage, adaptability, and speed over conventional credentials and time investment. The speaker outlines 7 essential mindset upgrades required to thrive in the AI era, including shifting from worker to architect and from consumer to creator. Additionally, the video identifies 10 concrete wealth pathways leveraging AI from content creation and AI-powered agencies to AI-enhanced investing and marketplaces that smart people are currently using to build fortunes. It also highlights 5 critical mistakes that keep most people from prospering in this new economy, such as passive mindsets and relying on a single income source. Finally, the video stresses the importance of mastering metaskills like adaptive learning and systems thinking to maintain a competitive edge as AI continues to evolve. The overall message is clear. Success in the AI-driven future depends on strategic action, continuous learning, and embracing AI as a tool for exponential leverage. Mindset over mechanics. The 7 mindset upgrades highlight that succeeding in the AI economy is primarily about shifting perspectives, not just acquiring technical skills. Transitioning from a worker to an architect mindset means focusing on building systems that generate passive value rather than trading time for money. This mental shift enables scalable wealth creation rather than linear income growth. Synthesis and networks trump specialization. The old economy rewarded deep specialization within narrow silos. But the AI-driven future demands synthesists who can integrate knowledge across multiple domains. Moreover, collaboration and network leverage are crucial, transforming wealth creation into a social and systemic process rather than an isolated individual effort. Curiosity and iteration are competitive advantages. Fear of new technology leads to paralysis, whereas curiosity about AI's potential empowers fast learners to adapt and innovate rapidly. The iterative approach, launching quickly and refining constantly, beats slow, perfectionist planning, aligning with the rapid pace of AI evolution and market changes. Diverse wealth pathways reflect AI's versatility. The 10 wealth pathways demonstrate AI's broad applicability from content creation and one-person agencies to AI-first startups and enhanced investing. This diversity means nearly anyone can find a niche aligned with their strengths and interests, provided they adopt the right mindset and tools. It also underscores the democratizing potential of AI to enable individuals to build empires with minimal overhead. Common mistakes highlight the need for proactivity. The 5 mistakes identified, such as passive mindsets, reliance on single income streams, misconception that it's too late, treating AI as a toy, and working alone, are warning signs for those who risk being left behind. This highlights that success requires proactive exploration, portfolio diversification, serious application of AI, and community collaboration. Metaskills are the ultimate competitive moat as AI tools and platforms evolve. Mastering foundational metaskills like learning how to learn, systems thinking, emotional resilience, and adaptive collaboration ensures individuals can continuously spot and capitalize on emerging opportunities. These metaskills transcend specific technologies, making them timeless assets in an unpredictable future, and represent the deepest layer of sustainable AI wealth building. If this opened your eyes, don't just scroll, take action. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the one mindset shift you're making in the age of AI.